In front of me is Sharp Aquos R2, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you need to reach the settings, then find and select display and go to wallpaper. Now just pick the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. It can be album wallpaper, live wallpapers, log photo shuffle, one from your own photos or any other album. Let me pick, for example, wallpaper album. Actually, we have no picture here, so let's go with preset wallpaper. And here you've got few options. So we've been set up with this one. Let's move to that one, tap on set to wallpaper, and finally decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen only, also your lock screen, or just lock screen. I will pick both home and lock screen. And from now on you can see the difference, so your home screen and also your device's lock screen is covered with this brand new picture. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.